So I moved all the food and utensils and appliances into a spare room, and I have worked out of that room, so the things that I used most have come to the surface, and those appliances and those foods, a lot of them had to be tossed, they disappeared. The kitchen, a lot of renovation, a lot of work. Now my kitchen is really pared down, and it's at a bare minimum while I wait to get the energy going to do something about these walls and get my trim up, and then I'll work on countertops. I like it at this level. I have been doing everything on this kitchen table, which I don't know if you remember the drawer. I did a lot with the drawer, and I'm very happy with it. This kitchen table works just fine for me. I can put my induction stovetop or my electric stovetop and do one pot at a time. Mostly I cook in my Instant Pot. Yesterday, for example, I made a batch of my favorite carrot ginger soup in the Instant Pot, portioned it into freezer packs, and also baked a loaf of bread. I can make 2 loaves in my toaster oven. And I enjoyed some homemade cookies from the day before, all in this tiny space. My next challenge is tackling the walls and the trim. Not sure what I'm going to do. It's at the point where I could hire somebody to finish it for me if I wanted the walls to be all smooth. But it's kind of interesting this way, and I might do some different patterns, or I might get some panels to put on here, or I may just continue to skim coat it and cover these walls as smoothly as I can. I'm not sure, but I know I'm not going to go back to a busy kitchen with too much stuff. I like it this way, and I like having a separate room, a large pantry. If I got a roommate, I'd have to figure out something else. In the meantime, this is working. So keep watching. There's always a creative solution for every kitchen. And thanks for joining me. And if you're in a small space living, simple cooking setups, or just curious to see how this all comes together, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. Until next time, happy cooking, no matter the size of your kitchen.